audio watch variable in Visual Studio. So first you want to load your project and then open up the file that you want to debug, and now you can place a breakpoint on the variables. So for example, health and damage. Now you want to run your project in debug mode by pressing F5 or start here. And once the debugger runs and it hits those breakpoints, right click on the variable and click on add to watch or add watch. You can do the same for the second variable. And once they're added here, you can basically view this watch list by going to debug and then Windows and then watch and open one of these. It doesn't already show up. Now what you can do is continue the execution by pressing continue here or stepping through the code. And as you can see, the values of the variables are changing in the watch list. And you can also see the latest values right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you in the next one.